Lift up the strap to unsecure the box and open it up. This is the USB power charger. This is the USB-C cable. Hold Alphamini's body and gently remove her from the box. Do handle Alphamini like you would handle a baby, with love and gentleness. Connect the USB-C cable to the power charger. Plug in charger to the power socket and switch it on. Here is Alphamini's USB-C port. Insert the USB-C cable to start the charging process. Alphamini's eyes will display the power charge percentage. Press shortly the power button to see the power charge percentage.